Just received my Kate photo kit, and I'm beyond excited. It comes with everything you need. Backdrops, props, furniture, and even an outfit. Just look at this metal bucket. Soft plush fish. I wish they had included 2 fish. And this adorable fishing rod. The biggest surprise of this kit has to be this little outfit. The overalls are soft and comfortable corduroy material with real pockets and cute little teddy bear stitching. It will fit a variety of ages because the pants can be rolled up. The white shirt is also high quality and thick material. This step stool is the perfect addition to any photo shoot. It arrived fully assembled and is even strong enough to hold adults. Now let's check out the backdrops. These microfiber backdrops are both glare and wrinkle resistant. I pop them in the clothes dryer for 30 minutes and they are ready to go. I lay the flooring onto a non-slip pad so it doesn't move around, and then I tape all around the edges with masking tape. I wish the wall was 8 tall to accommodate adults as well as children. I am so excited to show you my behind the scenes shooting this little model and my finished images. All in all, I love these photo kits. Use my exclusive promo code SAVE10 to save 10% off on every order.